Oh, look at you go, big guy. Uh-oh, you're a little concerned. You're a little concerned, Matthew. What a good boy. It's your first time, really. It's your first time hanging out in there. What a good boy. Let's see what your brother's doing in the jumperoo. How you doing, Michael? Whoops. That's a little slippery for you, huh? There we go. That's a little better. That's a little better. There we go. How you doing, Matthew? You doing okay? Hey, buddy. Matthew, how you doing, big guy? Oops, it's okay, honey. You're doing great. You're a little concerned. Your brother did better in there. Okay, Mommy's gonna come and get you. Let's see how your brother's doing. He's a little concerned over here, too. I think we've had activity centered ourselves out here. Have we had a little too much? Uh-oh. Good job, Michael. You're doing great over there, pal. Matthew, you look very concerned, sweetheart. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. See what Michael's doing. He's recovering. He's recovering. Okay, Mommy's coming to get you.